Hi, welcome to the Snap It Masterclass with me, Barney, and one of the best photographers in the world, Sir David Loftus. Today we're going to be teaching you 3 techniques that will actually make you a better photographer. Are you ready for this?
Absolutely.
Let's talk through the techniques.
We're going to start with composition.
Yes.
And then we're going to talk about depth of field.
Yes.
And then we're going to talk about lighting.
Now David has actually set up a little studio for us just over here by the window because we like to use natural light. We're going to talk you through everything you need to enter the competition. Are you ready for this?
I am.
I'm going to go over there and film it. You can do the photography bit.
But you're the presenter.
Nope, not today. When you're ready.
Okay. So the important thing with composition is to ask yourself the question, what is the hero? In our case, it's the humble apple. Now, a few little tips to get the photo that you really, really want. And ultimately, to get over the fact that this is a crispy, crunchy apple and someone's going to want to eat it off your photo. First is the law of thirds, sometimes called the rule of thirds, is going to be explained by the lovely Barney.
Thank you, David. So let's say you're going to use this grey slate as your background and this lovely rhubarb and apple pie made with delicious pink lady apples as your subject. Now don't whack your pie in the middle of the frame. It does not look good. Instead, use this. This is a grid that shows you how to apply the rule of thirds. As you can see, the image is split into 3 sections, going across and going up as well. Now, if you place your pie on any one of these 4 points, it will look better. No one knows why, it just works.
One thing which is quite handy to have is one of these, which is a little spritzer, little handy spritzer, and just a little spray or 2 of water on it gives that sort of fresh, dewy feel, as if it's just been picked. It also gives a very handy thing to focus on, because if you're focusing on something with a smooth surface, sometimes it can be quite hard to actually get the focus to stick. So now you've got these tiny little droplets. So once you've found your perfect spot, and this is all in the head, not through the camera, then it's time to take your picture. It really is the simplest of photos, but often the simplest of photos are the best photos, because the focus is purely on the apple. So there you are, a few simple tips to help you take the humble apple and make it look good enough to eat.